Side elbow plank. In the side elbow plank, you're going to be resting on your elbow. Think about having your elbow and forearm perpendicular to your body. Your body is going to be as straight and as locked in as possible. The modifications would be to bend the lower knee, bend both knees, spread out the feet where you're producing that elbow plank. But if you can, try to have ankle stacked on top of ankle, and then you should have ankle, knee, hip, shoulder, and ear all in perfect alignment. What this is going to do is going to massively engage all of your torso muscles. So think about internal obliques, external obliques, intercostals, even your lats are going to play a part in this. Your pecs are going to play a part of this. And then, of course, the six pack abs, right? The rectus abdominis are going to play a part in keeping that side elbow plank locked in.